This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good evening. Make ensure I'm audible. Use the chat box and you type as yes if I'm audible. Then we'll continue our rest of the session. Thank you, Simra. Uh, just I've shared the screen like lovable AI. So this is one of the AI website builder without required any coding knowledge. So naturally you can edit, you can connect that back end and front end entire thing. So that I will show you right now. If you are using any desktop or mobile phone, already I have shared that prompt. Okay, so I will show you once, just a minute. So here you can see this is the one recently I have created before I start up this session, but it takes some time. Okay, so you can see here I'm making this to full screen. Just only one prompt. You can see here. I created a Modi Computer Education homepage, about us, courses, placement, gallery, testimonial, contact, then application form, lead generation forms. Okay, and which course people are searching. For example, Kumar, Kumar at the rate gmail.com. I want to know a course. Then if I click submit application, so now you can see we will we will be in touch. So the database will get stored when it's become published. Okay, there's a almost 80% of your website design it's get completed here itself. You can see here, see the icons and cards. Okay, so this is the prompt. The same prompt already I've shared you in the WhatsApp. Okay, so what you have to do is whenever it opens, just do copy paste whatever I've shared in the WhatsApp group. Go to the dashboard. Once first you log in, go to dashboard and paste the prompt. Click execute. Okay, it takes minimum 5 to 10 minutes. Once it is executed successfully, then you will be getting the projects. Okay, I have created two projects. One is Modi Ascents. Okay, and here you have a folders. Okay, look at this. You can see this is the root directory. Inside the root directory, you have complete one page of information. Everything is get connected. So this is the live one, preview one, and this is the coding part. Okay, these are the codes, public. Then again come back to preview mode. Suppose now I wanted to change. So click this plus mark, and instead of practical learning, so what I will do, I'll be taking hands-on experience. Industry curriculum, live project, affordable fees, flexible timings, placement, career guidance, small batches, then modern labs, then international certificate. So here itself you can modify. Then what you do, so simply you click send. Now it's updating. Is that crazy, right? And also in the right hand side you have a menus. Make ensure how many of you are getting the same result. So this is the view mode, desktop view. You can make this to full screen as I have shown you now. And finally you can publish this if you like. So publish your project and enter what exactly you are going to be placing. So create a custom domain what you like, but it's require license. I can continue in this. Continue, continue, publish. Open your system and paste the same prompt and try to get the same answer. Is it getting same or different? You make me confirm that and try to modify the elements within the page. So first what you have to do is first open lovable.ai, then paste the prompt in the same area. Here you have dashboard, paste the same prompt, click execute. Then it takes minimum 2-3 minutes of time, then which will store you in the project area. You can browse later. And if you wanted to open, just you click inside this box, then complete web page is ready, means website. If you start pay and start using, then it will become a live website. So you have a SEO, entire thing which is considered here. If I want to modify, learn today, lead tomorrow, then just you take the text box and you change whatever you like. Learn today, lead tomorrow, and here you have institute. So scroll down, so you can check here, located in Anman Nagar and Jayanagar, something like that. Then what you do, click send. Any changes has been done, click send, then gets updated. Visual effect. Hope you all understood. So within fractions of minutes you can create a website, but if you have license, then easy to do that. Then later part I will explain about this lovable dot dov development, and make this to full screen, open in new tab, and that you can see that real time website how it's to be looking. Okay, and later part you can change this images also, you can change name, whatever you like. Hope you all getting same result. But now the question is, uh, sir, you explain about lovable AI. What exactly it is? Is it similar kind of AI, or what model it is running? And what is the default credit we will be having to run the project? So as per the current lovable pricing model, right now whatever I have used, it is a free plans. Okay, you can build 5 credits per day. It means these resets daily. Okay, it means tomorrow if you means today the credit limits is over, then tomorrow you can continue with the same thing. Maximum 30 build credit per month. Maximum per month you will be having 30. So 20 cloud credit per month for hosting, and 4 AI features credit to test AI features in your app. So there will be questions like, sir, how many projects can we build? So there is no limits on the number of projects. You can limit the number of credits, not a project. Understood? So you can typically credit uses according to lovable examples whatever I've shown you, when you change the button color, when you remove the header, footer, login authentication, then whenever you create a landing page with images, then approximately it's going to apply some credit values. More complex prompts that modify many files or generate that entire applications can consume several credits in one project. Is that understood? So whatever I've shown you, that is only one large prompt that consumes multiple credits because it generates many components, pages, images, and animations that you have seen, right? So if you have not get that output, wait certain time, then you will get to that. So to make the best use of this pre-plan, usually more efficient to build in the stages like homepage, about us, courses, whatever I have taken, gallery, contact page, then final polishing and animations. So this approach typically waste few credits, then repeatedly regenerating that entire sheet, entire sites. Okay, if you are planning premier or premium websites, so lovable AI credit optimized prompts also that makes you save your credits. Okay, you have to use AI lovable AI credit optimized prompt, then only you can save some of pre credits. So that minimize unnecessary code generations while still producing so professional React, then Tailwind projects, and lower credit usage and cleaner output. So if you are expecting those things, this is the thing. And people will ask you, sir, what are the technologies lovable uses? So lovable users, right now you can see in front of your page, lovable typically generates the project with the modern web technologies such as React, then TypeScript, then CSS, okay, Framer Motion, then Superbase, it's a backend, then React routers. So these are the most popular technologies it's uses in the lovable. And how it works, you have to describe your idea in normal language or natural language, and lovable generate that entire website or applications. You can get the preview the results instantly, ask it to make the changes using any more prompts, and finally publish or export the code. So no manual coding is required to generate or to start this applications, although the developer can edit the generated code. But if you are not a developer, so directly whatever I've shown you now, so like place the text cursor, modify whatever changes you want, and click send button, then automatically takes. And as I said, whenever you try to work for buttons, color changes, removing header and footer, login authentications, that and all affects for the default credit. Okay, and what you can build here. So here I have taken one example like educational institute website, school and college websites, portfolio websites, company websites, restaurant websites, hospital, hotel booking, student management systems, LMS, learning management system, CRM, customer relationship management software, then admin database, then AI chatbot, then SaaS applications, e-commerce stores. So anything you can do it here only. But the advantages is what? Very fast development, modern responsive UI, and generate productions with a ready React code, and easy to iterate and follow up the prompts, suitable for both beginners and experienced developers. It can generate with a service like a Superbase. But here we have some limits. The limits like complex business logics, it may still require manual coding. Okay, so like ERP kind of software, if you are planning, then manual coding must be required. Other than that, you can work for very simple and moderate level of website. The quality of the result depends upon heavily, and how will you write your prompt. So depends upon that, the quality of the result depends. And large and repeated changes consumes AI credit. Make ensure before you run. Okay, so repeated changes affects for AI credits, and you may still need to review and also optimize generated code before deploying it to the productions. Now the question is, sir, who should use this lovable websites like AI tool? Like most of the entrepreneurs, small business owners, students like you, and freelancers like me, and designers, startup founders, developers who wants to prototype quickly. So this is the one best platform people will use this. So might be asking, sir, what is lovable AI? What is traditional development? What makes the differences? So as you have seen, the traditional one also I have shown you in the Google site. It was slower and extensive, and UI generation is it was manual, and responsive it was manual, and customization was unlimited. Correct, right? And learning curve it was very high when I'm talking about traditional coding. But if I start with the lovable AI, the speed wise it is very fast, and coding required, not required much more coding, minimal. UI integrations or UI generations automatic, responsive design it is built in, customization it is in high, then learning curve is low. Any doubts now? Are you getting the result? Chat GPT won't make you like this, Simran. Okay, one interesting question, sir. What model uh, lovable AI is using? But for example, if I take ChatGPT, there will be a model like 5.5, 4.5. Okay, these are the models. But in essay, the lovable AI does not use any one AI model. Sir, what is this? It uses multi-model AI system. Please understand here, lovable AI uses multi-model AI system, selecting the different model depending on the task you are performing. So that's why it's called as multi-model AI system. Please note down somewhere in your notebook, or you can make that understand here itself. Lovable AI does not use any uh, one AI model, which uses multi-model AI system, selecting the different models depending upon the task you are going to performing. Sir, what is the default model now? So according to the documentation what I have studied, lovable default AI model uses Google Gemini 3 Flash because it offers good balance of speed, reasoning and cost. Please remember, by default lovable AI uses Google Gemini 3 Flash model. Okay. And sir, what are the other types of model lovable AI it's using? So one is ChatGPT 5.5, ChatGPT 5.4, okay, then ChatGPT 5.5 Pro, then Gemini Flash Lite, Gemini Flash Image, Nano Banana for image generations and editing, and for lightweight and inexpensive task, it's a flashlight, and Gemini 3.1 Pro. It is for complex coding and reasoning. So something like this, lovable AI is going to start using the model. So when prompt is asking for complex and premium websites, then it depends upon the model. When you have this complex premium websites, which is start using 5.5 Pro, and professional front end development 5.5 GPT, and large React projects 3.1 Pro, and fast website generation like default one Gemini 3 Flash. So this is automatically start working in this area. Is that okay? Any doubts? So what result you got? Please take the screenshot and share that in the WhatsApp group itself, so that I can understood. Okay. So model wise, if I want to talk in lovable AI, by default start using this uh, Google Gemini 3 Flash. This is the default AI model as per the lovable documentation, and other models also going to support like 3.1 Gemini 3.1 Pro. This is for complex coding reasoning. 5.5 and 5. Pro, this for advanced coding and a large uh, context reasoning. GPT 5.4 family, Gemini Flashlight, it is lightweight and inexpensive task. Gemini Flash Images, and also Nano Banana, it is for image generations and editing purpose. So this is all about model lovable supports, but make ensure what complex and premium website you are looking for. Then automatically your lovable AI takes the model 5.5 Pro. Then professional front end development, that takes by default 5.5 GPT. Then large React projects, Gemini 3.1 Pro. Then fast website generation, Gemini 3 Flash. That is a default one. This is the first time, so take a light one. I'm going to make this. So this is the first dashboard, and here you can see some of the templates. If you like, you can select, but right now I don't want. What you do, directly paste. the complete website, means the prompt, what exactly you are looking for, and here you can see which plan you are running. Got it? So it's a free plan, one member. You can invite others also, and just you press enter key. So enable the notification, allow for the notification. So open your website, take the screenshot and share that in WhatsApp group below the prompt. Even you can run in your mobile also. Good, Sam. I got a reply from Sam. Yes, ma. You try with any other ID. The number ends with 264. You can change. You can change. You can customize the prompt and you can, as per your business requirement, you can change and you can run. Just it is an example how you can get the best result. So as of now, we have completed website designing, like how we can use AI tool for website creations, and how we can use ChatGPT for embed coding, and how we can use Google Site for beginners. Okay, user friendly working environment. So when you don't know about much technical part, so still you can get the things like a working professional. Okay, somebody is asking like, sir, what makes lovable special? So number one, it's a natural language development. Like instead of dragging components around, you can simply write, for example, create a minimal educational institute website with a modern homepage admission form, and course page, testimonials, and animations. Lovable generates the applications. This is what natural language development. This is the one special. Second thing is it works like a real React code. For example, unlike many visuals builders that locks you in their platform, but Lovable generate the modern React project using the technologies like React, TypeScript, then uh, White, okay, then Tailwind CSS. So something like this, the developers can continue working with the project or working with the code in their own editor. So this is the real React code. And next thing is continuous AI editing. This is another type of specialty. You don't need to regenerate entire code. Make ensure the hero section more premium, or make the color scheme or color themes to blue and gold, whichever you like. Okay, so simply you tell off, then Lovable updates that existing project, then automatically works. And it's a full application, not just pages. Sir, what is full application? So whatever we created in the Google site, that is pages. But here front end, back end, entire thing will get created automatically. That's why it's called as full applications. Lovable can generate much more than marketing websites, including student portals, admission dashboards, CRM system, then booking systems, learning management system, so on so on. And also start using modern UI by default. Typically produces interfaces by default, responsive light, modern cards, what you have seen, then clean spacing, then animations, then professional typography without needing to design every detail by manually. This is all about modern UI. And when we talk about backend integration, like authentication, database, storage, APIs. So these are the keywords where most of the full stack developers peoples are using in the backend. So if your project requires them, it's supports. Lovable can integrate these things. Sir, then how do I do that? So there will be an option called as connector that I will show you once. So when you click back, you can see connectors. So go to the connector part. You can connect whichever database you like. Okay, you can connect to your Google Analytics, Gmail, okay, and Firecrawl, Google Drive, okay, and Microsoft, AWS. But license must required here to connect them and start working. And before that, you check out that documentation. So you can add the connections and asking for the measurement ID. Okay, so whenever you open Google Analytics, which will give you one ID, so if you enter that ID, which will start asking like how many uh, clickings, means in your website, how many clicks you are getting, what is the most traffic trafficable pages, like landing pages, where the peoples are get connected, what is the most traffic area in the website. So if I want to analyze entire thing in my website, then I wanted to be connected for Google Analytics. It is an analytic tool and which is helping us to track, analyze our data. So connectors. Then this is the resources. Resources nothing but templates. So you can select one of the template here and use the same template if you like them, and acknowledge that to remix. Is it clear? Means your website is going to build in the same manner. If you don't want, so directly you give off the prompt. Ask me if you have any doubts. Simra UI means user interface. What you have seen, the blue color, the interface, what it has been generated. I will show you now. You can see here, this is an example of UI. Do you understand? User interface, user experience, UI, UX. If the UI is too good, people likes the websites. The website, if it is too faster, smooth, and easy to scroll and working smoothly as per the user definitions or user requirement, then it's called as UI UX. You can check many other websites. So you'll be getting different UI and UX. You heard about MVP? So MVP stands for minimal valuable product. Minimal valuable product, MVP. It is the most or smallest working version of the product that includes only the essential features needed to solve the problems of the users. So that type of website, if you are looking, are features up front you to launch in the simple version and gather the feedback and improve it over a time, then your lovable AI is good. Like online learning platforms, what happens in the full product of online learning platform: student login id, faculty login id, then admin dashboard, online payment, video streaming, AI chatbot, certificate, online exams, okay, mobile app, notification, analytics. So these are the things we have to take care to build this. But when it comes to MVP, I don't want that complete full-fledged. I want homepage, courses, course details, admission forms, contact pages, student inquiry library. So this can be built much faster, allow the users, real students to start interact with your institute. Okay, then it makes you effect. Okay, but what happens in the uh, digital platform? People start enrolling for courses like Udemy or something like that, but there is no interactions. Okay, but if when you have a MVP, like a minimal valuable product, that built much faster, allowing the real students to start interacting with the particular company, then it's much more effective. Is it clear? Okay, so now today I'll stop about website now. Then we'll talk about new topic. So before I start off the new topic, you ask me if you have any doubts. So go to Google and you type Google Analytics. So click on this, sign in. What's happening? Go to Analytics. I guess it is not working here. So try MCP server for Google Analytics. Install from GitHub. Okay. So close all of this. It's not supporting. Okay, so now imagine I wanted to create a logo for my company. So now whatever I'm starting is content marketing, content generation. So up to now, whatever I discussed, that is website development, Google site, embedded code, chat GPT, and lovable AI. If you want still some more prompt, I will share you in the WhatsApp uh, one more prompt that you try and share me that screenshot in the WhatsApp group itself. So wait a minute. So just I have shared one prompt. Open your WhatsApp. Make ensure are you getting the same prompt. So I'm typing this. You delete the first two lines. So delete the first two, three lines. Then I've described like create a luxury fashion logo with black background featuring with a glowing golden circle rings inside a circle, elegant metallic gold initials UF. So I have described so many things. Just I'll be pressing enter key. Have a look once. So this is for creating a logo for our business. So you have to prepare or you have to create a brand. So to create a brand, logo is important. But what happens if you want to work on applications like Corel Draw, Photoshop, then you must have a knowledge, application knowledge. But here, not required any application knowledge, only natural language process ideas itself is enough. If you convert that into prompt area, then which will start creating the logo itself. So have a look once. So in place of UF, I can change my initial like SM I can change. So in place of Ujjwal, I can take any other name. Is it clear? And paste your output as I have did. Open your mobile app ChatGPT and paste the same prompt. And are you getting the same result or different result? You check and try to make the changes and paste or share that one of the screenshot. Yes, it is ChatGPT. You refresh once more. Refresh the page. Might be due to some internet problem. Sometimes it happens. So I have shown you in front of you. Just do copy paste and press enter key. You will be getting and try to modify that. And use the same prompt. Open Gemini. Gemini.google.com. Paste the same prompt and press enter key. Make ensure are you getting the same result of these two. And similarly go for Copilot, Microsoft Copilot, and paste the same prompt. Press enter key. Check out the result. See the changes. Which one is looking good? The same prompt but different outputs. Now you decide and you tell me which where you will be getting the good result. On a Copilot is getting good result and ChatGPT, but not up to the mark of Gemini. So all three means use the three AI tools, use the same prompt and try to get the result. Is that same or not, or are you getting some different result? Yes, ma. I'm sharing one more prompt in the WhatsApp. Please check. So first you have to upload the image. So I'm going to take ChatGPT, paste. So this is my image. You can see this already I've sent you in the WhatsApp. Do copy paste. Okay, and there itself I gave one prompt. So copy that prompt and paste in the prompting area. I can show you in front of you. Okay, so press enter key and check out this result. This is a old photo. This is going to give a new photo. Even you can download any scratch photo from the online, use the same prompt and paste it, everything will become normal. Good, Maria. Good, Kritika. Oh, nice, D'Souza. Nice. You're all getting results. Nice. But mine still is not getting the results because it's loading. And try to use the same prompt, same image in the chat GPT and as well as, sorry, Gemini and Copilot. Got the same result here also. So do copy, go to Gemini, then copy the same prompt, paste in the bottom, execute. Check the result. So why I'm asking is you have to first check where you will be getting that exact output professionally. Whenever you want to create a profile photo, image, okay, then posters, designs, you can see here it is also looking good, but it has taken a little bit close-up shots. Now I'll be taking again the copy image, paste it, run them, execute. Okay, good. Nice. Hope you all enjoyed with AI, including fractions of seconds. You'll be getting website, images, logo. You don't want to waste your time on the application. Okay, so what I will do, I'll be copying this logo. First, I'll ask what is the visiting size. I'm asking that to AI itself. I wanted to know what is the size. Sorry. Use 3.5 and 4.5 inches. Create a professional visiting card. Details like name, NICT computer education, address, number 10 bar 30, first name, 50 feet, ring road, 1 month Nagar, Bangalore, and director Kiran Kumar, Shiv Kumar. Okay, I'll be taking Mumbai. Okay, then use logo, uploaded logo, little bit of logo, do copy, paste it. I have uploaded the logo and costs offered digital marketing, critical hacking, cloud computing, data analytics, then internships, etc. So simply you press enter key. I requested to create a visiting card. So I have shared that prompt in the chat GPT, sorry, in the WhatsApp. You copy that and do copy paste the logo and wait for the result. Right. So now how do you rate yourself for creating website using AI? And look at this. This is what the visiting card. So I can do copy. I'll be sharing that in WhatsApp. So you can see the changes. It is a front side and back side, or actually it is in the front end only. Both like top position and bottom position, it's been created. Even if you want to make certain changes, you can give in the prompt itself. That makes you proper result. So by tomorrow, before I start the session, how I have shown today. So everyone, you create your own business profile, like how I have taken my logo, visiting card, okay, then address, what kind of business you are providing. So that you take and use the same logo and publish in the website. Use AI only. When you start using AI, then you get to know that what is the exact result. Is it okay? Will you be finishing this assignment by tomorrow itself? Yes. So tomorrow we will try to execute some more interesting like creating posters. So still I, for example, still I don't know what is the size of social media posters. Still I don't know what is the profile photo size of the YouTube. So that and all, how we can gather information using ChatGPT or any other AI, that I will try to show you. Is it okay? So before wind up this session, ask me if you have any doubts. So still AI is not responded, no problem. Once gets responded, share that details, the WhatsApp itself, and create your own business profile using AI itself, including website, including your logo and visiting card, services. Okay. Tomorrow I will give you one task. Use your own prompt engineering skills and you try to recover the photo. I will not give you the prompt. If possible, you bring that professionally how you will be getting. Okay, so meet you up in next class. Take care. See you all.